Hello! So I thought I'm gonna make a new video. Kind of want to get back into sewing and yeah, just pick it up again. Yeah, speaking of picking up, I picked up this beautiful machine for like a couple of weeks ago at my thrift store, and I have finally some time to work on it. Because I don't have to figure out how this actually works. I did a little bit of research. From my understanding, this is actually a brother, even though it says here Imperial, but these were made in Japan, and they just get different badges. This one says Imperial, sometimes they say Baker's, sometimes they say something else, and it's super heavy. I don't know how many pounds, but it's just freaking heavy. It says here model number 520. There are also a bunch of numbers. Luckily, I've also found a manual for this one. I joined a Facebook group, Vintage Japanese sewing machines, and in their files there was also a manual, which is really good because I have no idea how these, like, I know this button, but this one is definitely new for me. And as far as I know, this is the stitch length, and this is the reverse button, which is, yeah, I can't even like push it, so I have to at some point open up this machine. I have to probably unscrew some stuff and clean it. It is working. It is plugged in right now, so it is yeah, but it's stuck. It's already like stuck somewhere, so I have to turn the wheel, and then it is working. It has a light which is not working. There's also no switch to turn it on or off, so I have to get a new light. Yeah, but I pick it up because it's a very, very nice blue, baby blue color. I actually just picked up because it's like really good, and it fits so good on my desk. Yeah, so I have my my pink tabletop, and then I also have my other stuff going on here. So I was like, oh my god, this actually just fits super good on my desk. This baby blue color is crisp, and this is just look at this color, like just look at it. It's so cool. It says Imperial on here, but the manual says Deluxe ZZ107, whatever that means. And I do have a manual for that one. And apparently this one is similar to the one I have here. It's what do I have here? Okay, winding the lower thread. I have to look at this one because I have no idea. Threading the bobbin case, and so on. This one is also new for me. Instead of opening it here, I have to open it from the side. I can also see there's it's dusty, so I have to like kind of vacuum, but I don't want to vacuum right now because my baby is sleeping. Okay, it worked yesterday. I don't know what's going on. Shoot. Okay. Oh yeah, here we go. Okay, why is this working? Interesting. Okay. This one brings this guy up and down, and I think you can also, it says in the manual that you can also adjust this for like the thickness of the fabric. And this one here is for the bobbin, and I'm not sure how it works though. I don't know, because if I put the bobbin on here, then what do I do though? Oh wait, I have to push it down, but then how do you, oh wait, oh okay, I see. Oh okay, I see. That kind of makes sense. Already figured out something. That's good. Okay, so let's clean it up, and then I will figure out a couple of stitches, I guess. Alright, so I opened up a couple of things here. Oops. This you can see super nasty. I also opened up this one. I was hoping I can actually take off this and clean in here, but it's okay. And this is actually working good, the reverse button. Just not working this way, so I guess it has to be like this. And I was hoping I can remove this button, but it's, I don't know, not really. I can also move this one, so I do have to figure out. Oh gosh. This one, there were also these teeny tiny little marbles in there, in here. So that's gonna be fun how to put them back, because I have no idea how to put them back. It's gonna be fun later. I got some baby wipes, and so far I think there might be, oh gosh, nothing is coming off. Oh yeah, thanks for vacuuming. This is awesome. Ooh, yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna clean a little bit here. You can enjoy the cleaning. Alright, so I am back with the sewing machine. I'm not sure, I think it looks like a little bit better now. I cleaned this one. You can see this is all cleaned. I cleaned also like it behind here. And this one is all cleaned. I cleaned behind the logo, badge. And yeah, and also here like a little bit. There is, this is the lamp, which was already in here, and I thought for some reason it wasn't working. But of course I'm sometimes like a little doodle. There's a switch. So it actually works. That's good, so I don't have to buy one. That's nice. I already have a spool on here. It's from my serger, because that's what I always do. I just use the serger spools. It goes onto here. The first one, I think so. Wait, this is what's the manual say, right? Yeah, so it goes through here, then it goes through here. Oh, ooh, okay. And then let's see, it goes, ooh, you can see it. It goes here. Oh gosh. Hello? Okay. And then I need my bobbin. Okay, if I'm gonna do this. Okay. Oh gosh. Yeah. Oh god, this is tight. Okay. And it's winding like, oh my goodness, this is freaking tight. How is this supposed to work? Okay, let's see. And it's winding like this. Okay. I have to press it down. Okay, this is the moment of the truth. Oh yeah, wrong direction. Okay, so this way, right? This is the way. This is the way. One more time. This one. Oopsie. Hello? No, it's not working out. Okay. Let's try this one more time. It's good. Is it doing something? Oh my god. Well, this is working. Kind of have to put this in here. Ooh. I just don't know how. Oh, this should be good. Okay, in there. As far as I know, 5 is for I think medium tension. Okay, let's see if I can do my spool is here, then it goes through here. First one, second one, okay, this is actually super confusing. So this should be all good. Then I go through here, and as fast, and I have to go back down here for some reason. And then I have to go through here. Okay, because you don't see this when I close it. Oh, wait, like this. Oopsie. This one? What? But then I close it? This, what? I guess. Must be. Okay, you know what? Let's do it. Okay, so I figured out my upper threading was definitely wrong. So for this one, sorry if it's just, wait, I can turn this off for a second. Okay, here we go. So it's a little bit hard to see right now. Let's see if I can. Okay, here we go. So first guard, second thread guard, then it goes around the tension knob, and then it's going here. Sorry, it's, I have the white thread, that's why it's hard to see. Through here, it goes up into this hole, then down again through the this thread guard, and through here, which is kind of hidden because if I close this, you won't see it. And then it goes here, and at this needle you have to thread it from the left to the right, not from the right to the left, which is also very interesting. I think I have never done this before, but yeah, here we go. So this is working, and here's my light. And again, this is the stitch length, this is reverse, and also I clean it up because now when I push it, I can push it in a little bit. So yeah, but let's see, it's definitely doing the reverse. And this is for zigzag, so I have to keep it on 0 so it's not doing the zigzag. I'm barely using it, and I do have to take a look at this again because I messed it up. I have to have a look-see again, but yeah, pretty cool machine. This, oh wait, I have to, hold on, let's, okay. Yeah, it's working really nice. I think that was my video to the Imperial sewing machine made in Japan, actually. Yeah, if you have any questions about this, because I don't think there's any videos out there about this machine, but yeah, pretty cool. So my next projects will definitely be this one. And okay, I hope you had fun watching this video, and I see you next time. Bye bye.